Ooh, this is gonna be one of them videos, man. I went to Vegas, just came back. I am drained, man. But I still want to get this video off for y'all. I'm still editing up the Vegas video, but we're gonna jump in a little something else while I'm getting that video together because it's just footage on footage on footage. And then I got kind of tripped up when I was out there because I forgot they made weed legal out there, man. So you could pretty much get that in any souvenir. Like, it's crazy if you go downtown. Like, you can literally get it in any souvenir shop. Your CBD stuff, your regular, your OZs, your zips, your grams, whatever you're talking about. Let's just say I'm completely drained, dried out. It was a weekend. It was definitely a weekend. But check this out. We're going to get into a little something else while I get that footage edited and squared away. Right now, today, we're going to get into this kicks pickup from Nike.com by way of my guy over at For Sure Kicks. You already know he's been taking care of me, you know what I'm saying? And this is another one I seen in my size that I definitely seen when it had dropped. But I didn't think I had nothing to really coordinate with it like that. I don't know, it kind of just, like most people say with shoes, it just kind of grew on me. So I had to have it, you know what I mean? So we're going to get into that right now. You already know what it is. It's your boy. Post Vegas party, as you can, man, let's get into it. All right, like I said, man, we finna jump right into this, man. We gonna push this through. You know what I mean? Like I said, I'm looking a little, but we gonna push right through it, man. Like I said, we got that good pickup. For Sure Kicks, you already know what it is. Got that Nike symbol on there. Straight from Nike.com. Y'all ain't messed with them yet. Y'all sleeping. Y'all need to get with them. Get you anything you need on the website below retail. Y'all sleeping, man. I'm telling you. Going down, but man, a lot of room in here. I guess they pack them all in pretty much the same boxes depending on how you order it. But yeah, man, without further ado, we're gonna just jump right into it, man. Keep it regular, you know what I mean? And again, like I said, this pickup, it kind of grew on me. Like I haven't seen it around, and it just grew on me. That's all I can really say. So I had to have it, and I haven't really picked up many models in this type of shoe, but like I said, they starting to release a lot more colors that I'm starting to dig anyway. So I figured, why not, especially for the price. Of course, got your receipt. Like I said, straight from Nike.com. Get at my guy, man. Y'all sleeping over there. And as you see by the box, oh, knock it off. I'm gonna get right into it. As you see right there, size 14, Air Jordan 1 mid. The colors is white, black Hyper Royal. So you should already know what that is. Ooh. Of course, got your 23 paper. Looking good. And yeah, buddy. We got that top 3 version of the Air Jordan mid 1. And I had to have this actually because and what actually sold me on it, when I did a close-up of it, I didn't know like the black material was kind of done in kind of like a suede-ish print material, and like along with the Nike check too. So that's what kind of pushed me over with it. Then of course you got your Jumpman Air tongue, you know what I mean? But this one here, yeah, they did their thing on this, man. I'm liking the quality on it. You got the good little leather on there. I'm pretty sure you can see that on there. But yeah, everything that's black indentation has like the suede-ish type material on there. So definitely had to put some protector on that. But for the most part, yeah, I had to have these, man. I'm definitely do some things, but this is one of them shoes. Like I said, the colorway just grew on me the more I seen it. And then at first I didn't see a 14, but then I wind up grabbing it once I seen it was there. I think these were originally, let me see. Yeah, these were retailing for $110. Got it below that, way below that. So I'm telling you, if you want to pick something up, you know what I mean? You grab the other shoe. Anything off Nike.com, man. Like I'm saying, I mean, come on, y'all see what it is, man. They coming perfect. You know what I mean? You got your extra strings right here. And I think, me personally, let me know what y'all think down below. I'm thinking of going red strings in them just to make the shoe pop more. I don't know, the white just seems kind of plain in my opinion. So I think I'm gonna go with the red just to make it run from like the toe up to the sneaker, you know what I mean? And then it'll stand out inside of the black tongue, then following up to the red tag. So I think I'm gonna definitely go with the red laces in these personally, you know what I mean? But yeah, man, that's the pickup, man. I mean, we're gonna keep it short, we're gonna keep it sweet, we're gonna keep it simple. Like I said, size 14, top 3 colorway from my guy for Short Kicks. Hey, I'm gonna have everything down below. You need to get at them. Like I said, the website is under construction right now. They're doing things because of the way a lot of the inventory keeps changing from when they do early releases, general releases, and just anything that you want to get off of Nike.com, just on that separate thing. So, but right now, you can get at them on Facebook, you know what I'm saying, through any kind of messaging, Instagram, Messenger, you know what I mean? He's very accessible. He always gets right back to you if you leave a message. So you definitely need to holler at him, man, because he over here getting your boy right now. Because like I said, if there's one thing you see that I love, is my fitteds and my kicks, man. And he over here taking care of your boy. So I'm trying to look out for y'all, man. I mean, you can only hey, like that, you could lead a horse to water, you know the rest, you know what I mean? Trying to hook y'all up. Below retail, anything on Nike.com. And sometimes on early releases too. Like I said, just holler at him. He gonna let you know what's up. He gonna let you know what it do. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and lay back, kick my feet up. Like I said, I was in Vegas for 4 days, so I'm about to get my relax on before I do the back to work thing. But I just wanted to put this out here, let y'all know what's going on. I had these sitting. I actually got these in when I got in the merch and the other kicks, but I wanted to keep it separated, or that would have been like a hell of a long video, you know what I mean? So I really didn't do that when I got the Westbrooks in and then did the, the merchandise with it. These actually came with it, you know what I'm saying? That's why I have both boxes in the picture. But I wanted these to have their own standalone video because I think these deserve their own standalone video. Like I said, top 3 colorway, Jordan 1 mid. Let me know what you think down below. Like I said, I'm gonna get that Vegas footage edited up, try to get that up as soon as I can, because there were some pickups out there in Vegas. Pickups, plural. So definitely stay tuned for that. You already know the work schedule is crazy, but I'm gonna try to get these out as soon as I can. But right now, I'm gonna let y'all go ahead and get at this one real quick. I'm gonna put that information for Short Kicks down below. So you already know what it is, man. Hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you ain't already. And check out the next thing that's coming out. Like I said, I'm gonna try to get that Vegas video edited up, and then we're gonna go from there. So you already know it's your boy Shawn.Stay.Fitted, man. I hope y'all enjoy. I just wanted to give you this real quick. Like I said, Jordan top 3 colorway. I think they hot. For $110, you're gonna get that below under retail if you mess with my guy. This is a must-have, man. You know what I mean? It's not expensive, not over the top, and they coming out looking good. You know what I mean? So come on, man. Holla at your boy, Shawn.Stay.Fitted, man. You know where you at. You know what you watching. I'm gonna see y'all on the next one, man. I'm gone.